Today's video topic is the truth about low-carb diets. A low-carb diet is a type of eating plan that restricts carbohydrate intake in order to promote weight loss and improve overall health. Generally speaking, a low-carb diet involves reducing intake of foods such as bread, pasta, rice, and sugary snacks while increasing the consumption of foods like meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and non-starchy vegetables. It is important to note that the amount of carbohydrates restricted can vary from one person to another. Some people may choose to limit their carbohydrates to 130 to 120 grams per day, while others may limit their intake to less than 50 grams per day. Can you lose weight on a low-carb diet? Well, in the short term, people who follow a low-carb diet often see rapid weight loss. This is because when you eliminate carbs, your body is forced to burn fat for fuel instead. This can lead to rapid weight loss. Additionally, low-carb diets may help reduce insulin levels, which can in turn reduce hunger and food cravings. However, it's important to understand that this type of weight loss is usually not sustainable in the long term. When you drastically reduce your carb intake, your body can become nutrition deficient because it's not getting all the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients it needs. Is a low-carb diet safe? While low-carb diets can be effective for weight loss, they may be associated with some health risks. One of the most concerning risks is the restriction in essential nutrients, which means that the body is not getting the essential nutrients it needs to function. For example, some low-carb diets may limit the intake of important vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Additionally, some people may experience side effects such as fatigue, headaches, and constipation. In addition to this, many low-carb diets rely heavily on red meat, which can increase the risk of heart disease and other chronic health problems. And if you are on a low-carb diet, it's important to pay attention to your sodium intake, as some of these diets lead to high levels of sodium in the body. Also, many people find that low-carb diets are difficult to stick to over time, leading to weight regain when they stop the diet. So if you're looking to lose weight, it's important to remember that the best diet is one that is balanced and includes all food groups. A low-carb diet can be a useful tool in the short term in order to jumpstart weight loss or address certain health concerns, but in the long term, you should add back in healthy carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Additionally, it is important to limit the amount of red meat you consume, as it can be high in saturated fats, which have a lot of harmful effects on the body, such as raising cholesterol levels and increasing the risk of heart disease.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.